So I think it should be fine now. Can you please confirm if it is audible? Debashish says better. I think should be fine with everyone now. I have just increased the volume for the microphone. ओके ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच। सो सबसे बड़ा डायलेमा ये होता है, पता कैसे लगाएं कि एक मार्केट या फिर जो स्टॉक है जिसमें भी हम ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये एक अपने अच्छे ट्रेंड में चल रहा है। पहली बात तो वो ट्रेंड में है या नहीं है। दूसरा, ट्रेंड बनना स्टार्ट हो गया या नहीं हुआ। तीसरा, उसका ट्रेंड खत्म किस टाइम पे हो रहा है। कहना बहुत आसान होता है, राइट, कि आई मीन एनीबडी कैन प्रिडिक्ट इट यूजिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग चार्ट। दैट्स व्हाट पीपल हैड बीन डूइंग, और यही सब आपको आज तक दिखाया गया है कि चार्ट को यूज करके, जो एग्जिस्टिंग चार्ट है उसको यूज करके कैसे पता लगाया जाता है कि ट्रेंड है या नहीं है। लेकिन जब यही आप लाइव मार्केट में, लाइव ट्रेडिंग के टाइम पे एनालाइज करने की कोशिश करते हो, दोस थिंग्स स्टार्ट गिविंग यू द रिजल्ट्स विच आर नॉट फेवरेबल टू यू, करेक्ट। सो आज इस डायलेमा को हम सॉल्व करेंगे। Not only we'll look at the current state where the Nifty is, whether the trend is ending or whether the trend is continuing or whether the trend is strong or whether the trend is weak. Also we will try to find कि इसका पता कैसे चलता है, पहले ही स्टेज पे कैसे पता लगाया जाता है कि नाउ द ट्रेंड, द बिगर ट्रेंड इज रिवर्सिंग। Remember, there is a disclaimer here. Whatever we are discussing here, this all pertains to bigger level trend, not the micro level trends, not the intermediate level trends. इंटरमीडिएट के ऊपर इसका कुछ एप्लीकेशन होता है, लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट पे इसका मच बेटर एप्लीकेशन होता है, लेकिन इंट्राडे पे इसका एप्लीकेशन आपको बहुत ज्यादा देखने को नहीं मिलेगा। ये लंबे ट्रेंड के लिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस के लिए यूज किए जाता है जो मेथड, उसकी हम आज बात करने वाले हैं। पहले एज यूजुअल थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लीजिए ताकि आपके लिए आसान होगा जो भी हम यहाँ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उसको समझने में। ट्रेंड बनते कैसे हैं, हमने प्रीवियस वाले सेशन में भी डिस्कस किया था कि जब भी एक ट्रेंड बनता है उससे पहले कुछ कंसोलिडेशन देखने को मिलता है। दूसरा, ट्रेंड अपवर्ड चलता है, फिर कंसोलिडेशन होता है, फिर ट्रेंड अपवर्ड चलता है, फिर कंसोलिडेशन होता है, और इस टाइम पे, इस दौरान पे कुछ माइनर डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट आती रहती हैं जिसमें आपको फंसाने की या फिर पैनिक क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की जाती है। जब ये ट्रेंड खत्म होता है उस टाइम पे ये कंसोलिडेशन, शॉर्ट या बिग हो, नीचे की तरफ चलना स्टार्ट होता है, फिर से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, फिर से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है। ये जो आपने पढ़ा भी होगा कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर तरीका होता है मार्केट का मूव करने का। बट देन कम्स निटी ग्रिटी, जहां पे इंटेलिजेंट ट्रेडर या इन्वेस्टर को कैसे पता लगता है बिफोर दिस पॉइंट्स कम। लेट अस कॉल दिस पॉइंट्स एज ए, बी, सी, डी एंड ई। इंटेलिजेंट जो इन्वेस्टर होगा उसको कैसे वो कैसे पता लगा सकता है डी के आने से पहले कि ये ऑलरेडी अब नीचे आना स्टार्ट हो चुका है, और जो ये कंसोलिडेशन है इसके होने से पहले ही वो पता लगा सके कि यहां कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है, ताकि वो अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट को संभाल सके। होता क्या है, जब भी मार्केट या स्टॉक अपने लेवल से बाहर निकलता है, हम लोग उसके मिडवे के करीब में एंट्री अगर ले भी लेते हैं, अगर ये वापस नीचे आता है तो हम पैनिक बटन प्रेस करते हैं, फिर ये वापस ऊपर जाता है, हम दोबारा एंट्री लेते हैं। कंसोलिडेशन होता है, हम सोचते हैं ये फर्दर ऊपर जाएगा, लेकिन ये नीचे आना स्टार्ट होता है। Assuming that this is coming down, that now it will get into a bearish trend या फिर एक सुपर करेक्शन मोड में एंटर करेगा, we take the exit here only to find that it has started moving up once again it will break this consolidation zone and then it continue to move up। तो ये ट्रैप से बचा कैसे जाता है? सिंपलेस्ट सॉल्यूशन होता है जो मैं बार बार कहता हूं, you have to visualize the market। visualize का मतलब you have to actually feel where the visualization or the price is actually moving। अब यहां से विजुअलाइजेशन करना किसी के लिए भी आसान है क्योंकि ये चार्ट बन चुका है, लेकिन ये चार्ट पे अब होने के वाला है, विजुअलाइजेशन उसका करना होता है, ना कि जो बन चुका है उसका विजुअलाइज। उसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं, यू कैनॉट गो बैक इनटू द पास्ट एंड एंटर अगेन, राइट। व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन टेक सम ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट एंड देन यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज वेयर द थिंग्स आर मूविंग, वेदर दिस इज गोइंग टू बस्ट अपसाइड, एक और अपवर्ड एक बहुत अच्छी रैली आने वाली है, या फिर नीचे की तरफ अभी करेक्शन मोड में एंटर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ट्रेंड खत्म होने वाला है या नहीं खत्म होने वाला। ये एक प्रॉब्लम एरिया है जिसके बारे में हम आज बात कर रहे हैं। सो लेट मी टर्न ऑन वेव नोट्स। जिनके पास वेव नोट्स नहीं है, यू कैन विजिट wavenotes.com। ऑल्टरनेटिवली we provide wave notes to all our members as complementary tool. They can utilize it on any of the tradable instrument. Now let us try to visualize. First, few rules that you have to remember. Important rules हैं. आप इसको मूविंग एवरेजेस के साथ भी सेम मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं. दोज पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव वेव नोट्स और डू नॉट वांट टू गो हेड विद वेव नोट सब्सक्रिप्शन, दे कैन यूटिलाइज द सेम मेथड विद moving averages also. Okay, first rule is very important, that when the trend is building, it has not yet started, there is just the consolidation that is happening. When the trend is building, you will find the clouds, bullish cloud, bearish cloud. Blue color का cloud bearish cloud है, yellow color का cloud bullish cloud है. You will find these clouds placed parallel to each other. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे ये रहेंगे, लेकिन these will be ओवरलैपिंग, मतलब ये एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप करते नजर आएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर 1 2 3 4, हेयर 1 2 3 4, दीज आर पैरेलल क्लाउड्स. इट मींस नाउ द ट्रेंड इज बिल्डिंग, बिल्डअप हो रहा है और अब यहां से एक ट्रेंड अच्छा स्टार्ट होने वाला है. अब ये अपसाइड का ट्रेंड भी हो सकता है, डाउन साइड का ट्रेंड भी हो सकता है, बट एटलीस्ट वी हैव इंफॉर्मेशन दैट द ट्रेंड इज बिल्डिंग अप एंड वी हैव टू गेट रेडी फॉर दैट ट्रेंड. कैसे इस ट्रेंड के बिल्डअप का एंड पॉइंट पता लगाते हैं, वो भी आज के सेशन में आएगा. When the trend has built up and it start moving, the price action start moving, in that case you will see that the clouds which are placed parallel to each other, they will start moving in a particular direction. Either they will move up or they will move down. If they are moving down, it means the downward trend is starting after this consolidation. If these clouds are moving up, then in that case, it means the trend is starting for upside. Third and very important point that you have to remember, everybody should take a note of it. In fact, I will recommend that keep a pen and paper along with you. आप पेन पेपर पे इस पॉइंट को लिख के रख लीजिए. ट्रेंड की स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, हाउ गुड दिस स्ट्रेंथ इज, और ये स्ट्रेंथ कब तक रहेगी, ये कैसे पता लगाना है. ये पता लगाने के लिए आपको चेक करना होता है येलो कलर का क्लाउड का प्लेसमेंट, ब्लू कलर के क्लाउड का प्लेसमेंट जो इसके ऊपर की तरफ बनेगा. ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि येलो के ऊपर ब्लू बना है तो इट्स अ अपवर्ड ट्रेंड. एंड देन अगेन येलो कलर क्लाउड विल बी appearing. How to find whether this trend is good means यहां पे ये blue के पास आ गया. Let us say another blue has appeared here. How to find whether this is going to be a strong trend upward direction में, or it is going to be weak trend, या फिर ये consolidation mode में जा रहा है. You have to check the difference between Y to Y or Y to B for immediate trend. Two trends, bigger level, intermediate trend. Bigger level के लिए you have to find, visualize the difference between Y to Y and you have to keep its 50% point as the cutoff point, जहां पे हमें पता चलता है कि now the trend is stopping or now the trend is ending. The trend is ending. अगर ये 50% के ऊपर ब्लू कलर क्लाउड बनेगा, इट मीन्स इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश ट्रेंड एंड ये फिर से ब्रेकआउट देगा और ये फिर ऊपर की तरफ बहुत लंबा एक रन देने वाला है. अगर ये 50% के नीचे की तरफ बनता है बट नॉट पैरेलल और नॉट बिलो द प्रीवियस येलो क्लाउड और ब्लू क्लाउड, इन दैट केस इट मींस इट्स अ वीक ट्रेंड. इट विल कंटिन्यू टू बी बुलिश बट इट इज गोइंग टू बी वीक बुलिश ट्रेंड हियर. अगर ये नीचे की तरफ आ जाता है, इट मींस नाउ द कंसोलिडेशन फेज इज स्टार्टिंग, और पैरेलल क्लाउड्स अगर अपीयर होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, मींस नाउ द कंसोलिडेशन इज बिगनिंग. थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो सकता है ये फर्स्ट टाइम में समझना, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड यू हैव टू कीप अ नोट्स ऑफ ऑल दिस. लेट अस ट्राई टू विजुअलाइज एंड देन वी विल फाइंड वेयर निफ्टी स्टैंड्स राइट नाउ. नॉट ओनली निफ्टी, वी विल पिक अप based on whatever stock you want me to check. We will pick up, we will analyze what are the bigger level trends in those. Now we cover many a times हम stocks की query लेते हैं. A lot of people sometime come up with query, इस particular stock में क्या होगा, ऐसे stock में क्या होगा, all that type stuff. Trust me, I can just talk like, okay fine, it is above the blue cloud and this, and then it's breaking out, wait for this level to get broken. Once it is broken, enter, then it might give you a very good return in the future. It might give poor returns in the future. हमें दिख रहा होता है कि accumulation चल रहा है IBA के ऊपर, AVA के ऊपर, but still we recommend कि उसमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी से एक्सपोजर के साथ एंट्री मत लीजिए इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में, क्योंकि इसका बहुत अच्छा अपवर्ड इस टाइम पे मोमेंटम बनता नजर नहीं आ रहा है. यू नो हाउ वी डू दैट? वी डू इट बाय लुकिंग एट द प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ द क्लाउड्स, हाउ कंफर्टेबली द क्लाउड्स आर मूविंग अप साइड. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे मैं अपने जो मेरे पीआरएस के मेंबर्स भी हैं उनको मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा, जस्ट गो एंड चेक फ्यू ऑफ द स्टॉक्स लाइक जील या फिर जिंदल स्टील का. जिंदल स्टील फॉर एफआईआई पर्पस आई एम शेयरिंग विद ऑल. वी पिक्ड अप इन पीआरएस सर्विस जिंदल स्टील एट 369 एंड वी क्लोज्ड इट एट 418 418 पे इसको हमने क्लोज किया है. एंड वी पिक्ड इट इवन बिफोर द क्लाउड ब्रेकआउट हैपेंड. वी पिक्ड इट देयर इटसेल्फ, देन एंड देयर इटसेल्फ वी पिक्ड इट देयर. ओके, तो एफआईआई पर्पस के लिए मैं इसलिए कह रहा था क्योंकि सम पीपल मे हैव अ डाउट दैट ओके यू नो इट्स इजी टू टॉक, but when it comes to the practical trading, when it's come to the real trading, that time these things do not work at all. No, these things do work. You have to be cautious, and I'm sharing the example of the stocks that we had previously picked up. Now this position is closed, so we picked up this stock. For example, Vedanta Limited we picked up. We have closed this position now. It's recent rally that it moved up. We picked up that rally as well, this rally. And I request PRS members to confirm where we closed this. Where did we close this stock? We closed it approximately around 305. Near the highest point we closed it. Jindal Steel, near the highest point we closed that. We closed those positions. Now it does not happen in all the stocks, but one thing for sure is that at times when you analyze the stock very, you know, want precision, you have to look at multiple time frames. And when you practice and practice and practice, you can achieve these precisions. You're not fully dependent on tips or calls or recommendations by other person. You can also achieve these types of trades. You can also do these types of trades. Now let us go back to Nifty and check how to look at or how to analyze this. This is going to become amazing for you people. Just wait and see what I'm going to show you. You will be literally surprised that how easy it is to visualize the market. Let me darken the clouds a bit so that you can see these properly. And those people who had been using WaveNote for long period but have not yet experienced, be ready for this surprise, how easy it is to visualize any price action. Now I have turned off all the candles from this chart. I'm not looking at anything else. I'll turn off every other thing. I'll just simply look at the clouds right now. So this is how the clouds are placed. Let us say you do not know what's going to happen, and at this point I am asking you, what do you think is happening in the market? If you're at this particular stage and you're looking what is happening, we will analyze what's happening right now also. But if you look at the placement of these clouds, you will see that consolidation is in progress. Forget about price yahan aaya ya yahan gaya ya kahan gaya. Actually, what is the current state of the trend? What is the current state of the stock market is what we are interested in. Because we are trying to find where the bigger trend is appearing, where the bigger trend is about to go. And that bigger trend, more the consolidation, that bigger trend is going to be bigger, further bigger, more consolidation, further bigger. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम इस टाइम कैंडल चार्ट को ऑफ कर दें, वी कैन इजीली फाइंड दैट सम कंसोलिडेशन इज हैपनिंग, इररिस्पेक्टिव ये नीचे ब्रेक कर रहा है या ऊपर ब्रेक कर रहा है. देन वी आर इंटरेस्टेड दैट क्लाउड शुड स्टार्ट मूविंग. The cloud should start moving either in any of the direction. Here the consolidation has happened, and here we see our first cloud appearing, which is not parallel to the previous blue, but in fact is above the yellow color cloud. So one thing for sure is that the trend has begun. Now the trend has begun, and as soon as you will see this blue color cloud, and if you turn on the candles at that time, you will find that as soon as the price approaches, this is a pullback. This is the first pullback that is happening, and currently we do not know how good this trend is. Right now we do not know, but we know the trend has begun and the pullback is happening. So we are not bearish anymore. Where people were shouting at 16,200, 16,100 something, people were shouting, oh market 16,000 को अब हिट हो गई है, अब तो ये बेरिश, यहां से अब ये पक्का बहुत ज्यादा नीचे जाने वाली है. People with me in PRS can acknowledge we picked market around 16,130 or 40, सॉरी 60 के करीब में हमने पिक किया था, एंड वी पिक्ड दिस रैली एंड वी रोड दिस रैली ऑलमोस्ट अप टू 16,400 या 500 तक हमने इसको कुछ राइड किया था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली हाउ मच वाज दैट लेवल, बट आई रिमेंबर वन थिंग वाज दैट वी रोड ऑलमोस्ट 200 to 300 पॉइंट्स रैली एट दैट टाइम, because that was the beginning of the trend. So we prefer to enter with the beginning of the trend. Remember, PRS is not about Nifty trading. It's about stocks. It's just the example I'm quoting so that theory and the practical implications can be put together. That yes, we have utilized this practically also, and it's not something I'm claiming. It's with the people also. Okay. So here the pullback is happening, and this provides us a very good opportunity for entry. One thing for sure, till the time now the clouds are not moving down, there is no bearish trend at all. Even if the price breaks below this blue color cloud, I am least concerned about it. It's rather an opportunity to accumulate more. So here, when the price is coming down towards this blue color cloud, one thing that gets clear to me, just one sec friends, yes, one thing that gets clear to me is that market has started moving in a particular direction, and there's a pullback that is happening. Now how good this strength is, how good this trend is going to be, ये कितना अच्छे strength के साथ बढ़ रहा है ऊपर. I need to check the first yellow color cloud appearance. जब तक मेरे पास येलो कलर का दूसरा क्लाउड अपीयर होना स्टार्ट नहीं होता, आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस ट्रेंड. वन थिंग फॉर श्योर, दैट द ट्रेंड हैज बिगन. इट्स अ बिगर लेवल ट्रेंड. इट इज गोइंग टू लास्ट, but how strongly it is going to last, how long it will last, we'll check how to do that. But how strongly it will move up, or how much potential this stock has, this particular instrument has potential to move up, that we can check only when this yellow color clouds start appearing. And as soon as yellow color clouds start appearing, I have to check whether it is 50% or not. Currently the cloud was placed at around 50%. So we closed our position at around 16,400, assuming that this is not yet a very strong trend. Sorry, it is less than 50%. I'm worried about this trend. One thing for sure, trend has begun, but it has begun very weakly. At this moment, it is not gaining strength. Now, breakout happens from this. Another blue cloud appear. Immediately, I have information of 50% yellow and blue, and then 50% of it. And this blue color cloud appeared above. When I say cloud, I'm actually referring to the nodes of the cloud. That node appeared above 50%, means now it is going to gain strength. Now it has started picking up the strength. Let this price come back near my blue color cloud and the perfect entry, and that time means it is going to rush up. It is going to move up like anything, and that's what we have seen happening. Next cloud appeared. Of course, it's yellow color cloud. I can compare two yellow clouds. No bearish cloud appeared in between. Wow. It appeared only between these clouds. Next, it moved up. It came back down up to this. Nothing placed between these, so this should not get broken. Of course, this minor consolidation. Next cloud appeared. Yellow cloud started appearing. 50% mark. It is still a strong trend. It is not going to stop here. It is going to continue further. Next cloud appeared, and this time I found that again the cloud has fallen below the 50% mark. 50% actually ये फिबोनाची के तीन लेवल होते हैं, 618, 0.5, 0.618 and 0.382. Of course, it get measured between 1 and 0. If you plot Fibonacci between these two medians, जो क्लाउड नोड्स हैं उसमें से आपको ये तीन लेवल मिलते हैं. Quality of a good pullback is that it never breaches 0.5 level. Of course, pullback can happen almost up to 0.236 level. This is also one of the Fibonacci level, but we don't care about such type of pullback. These are very weak pullbacks. Here we are interested in those pullbacks which happen either up to 618 level max or up to 0.5. If it is going below 0.5, it means it is a sign of weakness. So here what we are looking at is we are trying to plot Fibonacci. Let me plot one Fibonacci and check that. So Fibonacci you can select from the tool available here. So wave node, when it ended, the cloud wave node was quite likely placed here. I bring it up to the wave node when the cloud is opening, when the yellow color cloud opened, and I will plot intermediate levels which are 0.5, 618 and 382 level. Let me turn off all other levels so that it does not create any confusion for now. Here we go. So here we see 0.5 level के ऊपर ही इस blue color का node appear हुआ. It means it is still a strong trend at this point. At 17,176, it is still a strong trend in the market. यहाँ पे bearish view लेना खतरनाक हो सकता है. Market is fragile. We all are aware market is at inflated value right now. It is very much fragile. But hedging, and that too for bearish side, can become very risky at this moment. Remember this thing. Okay. Now next trend, we have to check whether this is strong or whether it is turning bearish or bullish. We check here. This wave node is falling even below 0.382 level. It means it is becoming weaker trend now. So this trend has turned weaker. Another bullish cloud appeared above. We are waiting for new cloud which appeared here. Of course, इनके बीच में कोई भी और cloud नहीं है. It means it's a sign of now consolidation which is happening. So to check whether there is any strength between the two clouds or not, you need a blue cloud in between. When there is no blue cloud in between two yellow clouds, there is a probability, higher probability, that either the trend is going to pick up the strength once again and we have to wait, or the 99% chances that now the particular stock or instrument is entering consolidation phase. It is entering consolidation, या उसमें weakness आने के अब chance बन जाएंगे. And here we start winding up our position. Said that, let us try to see where we stand right now. Currently, since all the clouds are moving up, at this moment clouds are moving up, but the way the clouds were moving in this particular cases where blue cloud was appearing between or below the yellow color cloud, here we see that it is moving further down below the yellow color. ये और ज्यादा नीचे जा रहा है येलो कलर के नीचे, और जो प्रीवियस येलो था इन दोनों के ये जीरो लेवल पे आ गया. When I say zero, I'm referring to Fibonacci level. So here I plot Fibonacci and let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I plot like this, the blue color cloud has come to zero level, means it's a quite weak trend at this moment. It can turn bearish. It's a consolidation which is happening. Now after this consolidation, whether another bigger trend will start upside or downside, where it will go, that's a matter of analysis. So we are trying to analyze something. Now we need parallel placement of the clouds. Currently, parallel placement has not yet started. It is stepping up and up, but it's a weak trend. So it's a weak bullish market at this moment. Now, important point, another important point that can help you plan the early exit. Remember one statement I made, that before consolidation का breakout downward side का होगा, how to figure out whether to exit or whether to continue hold our investments or our position for that particular direction. Of course, if you are a very long-term investor, in that case, it might help you plan in advance. अगर तो ये जीरो के लेवल तक आ गया है तो बहुत बढ़िया. अगर ये बेरिश क्लाउड जीरो के लेवल के नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है एंड जो उसके सब्सिक्वेंट येलो कलर का क्लाउड है वो प्रीवियस येलो क्लाउड के नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, it's a early sign you should immediately exit this trade. Immediately. Remember, before fall happens, anything that goes up before the fall or the bigger correction happen, it will come down, it will test particular level, it will go up and it will consolidate here. It will not consolidate here, it will consolidate little downward. थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ होता है, and this is where the clouds start appearing. So first cloud will appear here, previous was here, now it comes down, cloud appeared here, then yellow color cloud will appear just below this one. yellow color cloud will appear here. That will be the first sign to know that now the market has turned quite weak. Now it is about to start downward. Let us see this thing happening in Dow Jones. Here you see that डाउ जोन्स में जो अपवर्ड मूवमेंट की स्ट्रेंथ थी वो कभी भी हायर लेवल पे पहुंची ही नहीं थी. दैट्स व्हाई इट मूव बाय अराउंड 100 200 300 पॉइंट, देन कंसोलिडेटेड, देन अनदर 100 200 300 पॉइंट एंड देन कंसोलिडेशन, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड जिस टाइम पे let us start seeing from here when the trend was there actually. Okay, when the trend was building, the clouds were moving up and none of the blue color cloud was coming below the yellow color cloud. The first blue cloud that appeared below the yellow color cloud was here. Here it appeared, but next yellow cloud appeared at the top of it. Again it appeared downward, but yellow color cloud has not formed below. It should form below the previous cloud completely. No overlapping. Overlapping means consolidation phase. No overlapping means the trend is beginning. Okay, so here the cloud overlapping happened. Again overlapping, upside move. Now how to check whether it's good upside move or bad, or like it's not going to give us very good result. For example, between these two clouds, between these two yellow clouds, if I just simply plot Fibonacci, I see that the wave node of this blue color cloud appeared at level below 50%. Means it's a weak trend. Even though it's moving up, it's very weak bullish upward trend that we are seeing right now. Similarly, next cloud, okay, if we try to plot next cloud, here we see the first blue cloud has appeared below the yellow cloud. It means it's a early sign that either consolidation will happen or the weakness will come into the market. Now we are waiting for clouds to not overlap but appear below. Yellow cloud, another yellow cloud, no overlapping, it should appear below this. That will be the first point of entry for bearish trend and last point for holding the bullish positions. So here we see that these are overlapping clouds. There should not be any overlapping. Here we have seen the overlapping clouds. येलो कलर क्लाउड के नीचे की तरफ ही ब्लू कलर क्लाउड आया एंड देन येलो कलर क्लाउड appeared below the previous yellow and which is not overlapping. So here this was 35,100 was the first point where a person can conclude that the bearish trend has started in a particular instrument. Now how long will this continue, whether this will be strong or not, again the same analysis has to be done, but this time you have to do analysis with bearish clouds. Bearish मतलब, and why I'm explaining this? I'm explaining this because निफ्टी में जब भी कभी आएगा नहीं आएगा मुझे नहीं पता, बट अगर ऐसा होता है जैसे डाउ में अब हो रहा है, अगर निफ्टी में ये होता है, you should not simply panic by seeing nifty movement here there. You should know that I am aligned with the trend really well. So here let us analyze where the Dow stands right now. DJIA bearish cloud appeared here, another bearish appeared. If we have to check the recent trend, we plot this, we see it is at the same level, at the zero level, means it's a weak bearish trend that has begun at this moment. So some consolidation is expected. That consolidation has started happening here. So now if I mark these clouds, you will see consolidation happening around this range, and what we are waiting is either the upward breakout or the downward breakout, which will be non-overlapping cloud, appearance of yellow color cloud which does not overlap with the range of these clouds, or appearance of blue color cloud which does not overlap with this will be the sign of bearishness. Remember यहाँ पे एक possibility रहती है that clouds continue to move down in the overlapping mode like this. Cloud will keep appearing, but there will be portion of overlap between blue color cloud like this. Then this blue color cloud which appear here, this will be overlapping with the intermediate cloud here, and so on. This is not a bearish trend. It's a simple correction phase which is happening in the larger time frame. Larger time frame मतलब अगर आप daily time frame पे move करते हो या weekly time frame पे जाते हो, you will see that it's just simply a correction that is happening. Bullish trend, इसी का पार्ट होता है करेक्शन. बेरिश ट्रेंड, इसी का पार्ट होता है रिकवरी. सो इफ the clouds are overlapping and the price is coming down, it just simply means correction is happening, nothing else. Pullback और correction में difference क्या होता है? You have to remember. Pullback is just a price action of bringing the price down so that it can again bounce back upward. It is not correction. Pullback is not a correction. There might be many people who will say that pullback are actually the correction phase. No, it's not. Pullback is never a correction. Pullback happens straight. Elliott के हिसाब से भी, अगर वेव के थ्योरी के हिसाब से भी अगर हम बात करें, then correction has to happen in ABCD manner. Pullbacks are straightforward. Pullback do not happen in ABCD. वो जबरदस्ती का प्लॉट करना है कोई भी कर लेगा, but fact still remains pullbacks are not correction. Now the correction is happening. Till the time these yellow color clouds are overlapping, the correction is opening. As soon as any blue cloud, I'm sorry. अगर कोई भी blue cloud non overlapping appear हो जाता है, that will mark the beginning of the bearish trend in the DJIA. Said that, we can check any stock you want me to analyze, that what is the trend in that right now. It's a bigger level trend. Remember, you can do it on 15-minute also, but it will become aggressive for you. It will become quite aggressive for you. If that particular stock is not much volatile, like DJI is not much volatile, इसका पैक बहुत नीचे आ चुका है इस टाइम पे, but if you pick up any high volatile stock also, there also you will see there is quite heavy aggression in analysis that might happen here, and this may lead to some wrong decisioning. That's why I suggested you have to stick to higher time frame. These things will help you on a higher time frame rather than on a smaller time frame. Okay, so here in Bank Nifty, for example, here there is some consolidation that has happened. Now this is interesting. Please pay attention to this one, and we will come to the stocks also. Some consolidation happened here. It happens in the combination of odd numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here of course it can be plotted like this also. That's totally okay. So it's 5 leg, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 legs. Odd number के legs में हमेशा consolidation होती है. Remember, except जहाँ पे कोई न्यूज आ गई हो, कोई इवेंट आ गया हो, वहां पे ये ब्रेक हो सकता है स्ट्रक्चर. लेकिन मार्केट इज वेल डिफाइंड इन इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, मार्केट इज वेल डिफाइंड इन इट्स पैटर्न्स. नथिंग मच हैज चेंज्ड, बट yes, it is important to know that whether this particular instrument is volatile, non-volatile, whether we'll be able to reap good benefits by looking at those patterns. So if you can try visualizing the patterns of the market, it becomes easy for you. So now when we are looking at a Bank Nifty right now, up to this point, I can say that it tried to move up. Of course, it was below 50%. So the strength is not good at all. Another appearance of blue color cloud here. Below, it's parallel to previous blue. Not good strength here. Yellow color cloud appeared. Between yellow and previous blue, if you notice that again new cloud appeared at 0 level, not good strength at all. Now comes the point where it hit really well and it moved up very fast, and this yellow cloud B appeared above the A. So anybody can feel, or anybody can get trapped here easily by looking at this move, that it's a very strong move. So market or the Bank Nifty has turned bullish, and they may just go blind in this trading that Bank Nifty is bullish, chalo 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 daudo iske andar. But the fact still remains, we need to check where the next blue color cloud is coming, and accordingly we have to take decision. Next blue cloud came exactly parallel to the 0 level of the Fibonacci between nodes points. So here the trend is strong or trend is weak. Here it's a weak trend it's a weak bullish trend, because yellow clouds are moving up. Only for one instance, yellow cloud has moved up very recently in September, post mid of September. So it means it formed a bullish pattern, but it's very weak because it is not just below the 0.5 level. It is parallel to the yellow color cloud. And then next cloud appeared, which is bearish again. We cannot analyze this thing. So we have to wait for yellow color cloud, again yellow color cloud has appeared. Now we are waiting for next blue color cloud to appear, either between this node and this node, either at 50%, above 50%, below 50%. If it appears above 50%, it's a strong sign that Bank Nifty has turned strongly bullish now. If it appears at 50%, it's weak, it's mildly bullish. If it is below 50%, it's quite weak. If it appears parallel to this one, means consolidation mode is on. And in that case, we will wait for 3 legs to get completed. Of course, you have to remember the consolidation phase legs start from blue cloud always. It does not start from the yellow color cloud. It starts from the blue cloud. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, fifth leg, either upward breakout or downward. Remember, there are certain market related issues at this moment. For example, coal supply, you have to keep a very close watch on that. Then Evergrande, of course, this matter has died down. It's not much of the concern at the moment, but keep a watch on this one as well. Okay. Beside that, अगर कोई न्यूज ऐसी है जिसकी वजह से बैंकिंग सेक्टर पे इम्पैक्ट आ सकता है, you just have to keep a watch. Mostly, you know, 2 या 3 बार साल में ऐसी न्यूज आती हैं. अदरवाइज मार्केट कंटिन्यू टू बिहेव एज पर देयर नॉर्मल patterns. Normal market behavior will be exhibited by all the stocks as well as by the indices. All right, so let us see what we have here. So sale for short term purchase for 3 months. देखो यहाँ पे मैं कोई टिप नहीं दे रहा इस टाइम पे. आई अंडरस्टैंड यू माइट बी इंटरेस्टेड इन knowing what to do with sale, but here my request to you is, if you can suggest one stock, I can just simply analyze for the bigger time frame. That's it. So since you mentioned sale, let me put sale here and see what's happening in this. Idea is to teach you how to analyze, not to give you the tips. Okay. Sale, if I have to ask, what's happening? Okay, let me ask people here. What's happening in this? See, when this this blue cloud appeared, these were parallel blue clouds. So we knew that, this is not a sign of bearishness. यहाँ से एक अच्छा upward move देखने को मिला. Let me draw it on the screen so that you can try to visualize. Then we'll turn on the price action for this. ये upward move बहुत अच्छा था. यहाँ से इसका bullish होने का chance full बना. The problem is the blue color cloud that appeared. Of course, we have to look at these two clouds. 1, 2 for reference. These are immediate. And then this cloud appeared. So cloud A, not this one. Cloud A, cloud B, cloud C. Now, if I plot Fibonacci between cloud A and B, of course, visually, it's visible clearly. But if I plot Fibonacci here, can somebody please tell me whether it's very strong, weak, bearish? Already people has answered. So yes, it's weak bearish trend. Next cloud that appeared, yellow color का cloud आया इस analysis के बाद में. And this yellow color cloud was not even going above the previous yellow. It appeared below. In fact, ये हम reverse तब करते हैं जब bearish trend check करना होता है. Here another cloud appeared which was way outside this range. So it did not even go into consolidation mode. It immediately fell into a bearish mode here. ये यहाँ से इमीडिएट बेरिश मोड में एंटर कर गए, क्योंकि येलो कलर के बाद में जो ब्लू कलर का क्लाउड था वो पैरेलल होता तो ये कंसोलिडेशन मोड होता. यहाँ पे ये विदाउट गोइंग विद द पैरेलल क्लाउड्स, इट जस्ट सिंपली, क्योंकि वो कंसोलिडेशन ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हो चुका था. इट मींस इट वाज क्लियर दैट कंसोलिडेशन हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन. Here it just simply turned bearish. In fact, यहाँ पे भी हम कहेंगे कि bearish ही, लेकिन येलो क्लाउड पैरेलल है. यहाँ पे येलो क्लाउड भी पैरेलल नहीं है. येलो क्लाउड्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग डाउन. Blue clouds are also coming down. No parallel clouds are placed. It's the first area where bigger level trend says that now I have turned bearish, dear. You have to move out of me. Let us turn on the price action to see what's happening in this. So this was a trap phase, as simple as that. And only those people who know that bearish जो क्लाउड नेक्स्ट आएगा वो 50% के नीचे आया है, फिर ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, दिस इज द एग्जिट पॉइंट, सिंपली एग्जिट आउट ऑफ इट, क्योंकि ब्लू क्लाउड विल अपीयर हियर. लेट मी ट्राई टू रीप्ले एंड शो यू व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. So here the point is that first bullish cloud has appeared. Of course इसका breakout होगा तो we are more interested, क्योंकि ये bullish trend start हुआ है. Cloud का अगर breakout हो जाता है, bullish cloud जो first cloud outside consolidation के appear होता है, अगर इसका breakout होगा will be more than happy. But अभी जब तक breakout नहीं हुआ, bearish cloud नहीं आया, you can't predict whether it's a good bullish strength or whether it's a not so good bearish strength. So let me move forward. And here the blue cloud appeared. Now let me do the analysis at this particular price. What I have to do? You suggest me what I have to do at this 135 level. I have to just simply exit. मुझे यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि my dear प्रॉब्लम इज दैट ये जो बुलिश ट्रेंड बनाने की कोशिश की गई है, दिस सीम्स टू बी फेलिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. अब ये अगर बुलिश क्लाउड एक और बन जाता ऊपर की तरफ और फिर ये ब्लू क्लाउड अपीयर ऊपर की तरफ होता, दैट टाइम वी वुड हैव प्रेफर टू स्टे बैक इन दिस. जो हमने अभी निफ्टी में एग्जांपल में देखा था, दैट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट वाज वेरी वीक एंड हियर इट्स पॉसिबल दैट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में फेल. We will give it a benefit of doubt, but fact still remains that it's not strongly bullish. We cannot take risk here. Even if you want to take risk, your max stop loss is placed at the bottom or at the wave hope point, जो आपका लास्ट पॉइंट होता है. इसके नीचे होल्ड किया ही नहीं जा सकता इसको, क्योंकि अगर ये बेरिश क्लाउड ब्रेक होता है, then it becomes a bigger problem. Eventually we want to ride the strong trend, not the weak trends here. Okay. So here we see that between these two clouds, the blue cloud has started appearing again. अच्छा, एक और चीज इससे ध्यान आया जो पैटर्न देख के है, मार्केट ऑलवेज गिव्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर परफेक्ट एग्जिट ऑल्सो. मीन्स अगर यहाँ से ये ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है, डोंट पैनिक मच, रिड्यूस द एक्सपोजर. इट्स नॉट दैट ये न्यूज बेस्ड अगर ब्रेकआउट था, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट, बट इफ इट्स नॉट एनी इवेंट और न्यूज बेस्ड ब्रेकआउट, like यहाँ पे तो अर्निंग थी, तो we'll consider this as event based. Let us assume this was not a event based breakout on the downward side. It will move up once again. Yellow cloud will appear. As soon as yellow cloud appear between blue and yellow, जो भी 50% या wave node point दिखे, exit ले लो वहाँ पे. That's the best exit point. So you don't have to panic at this particular price. You have to panic at this particular price when the yellow cloud appeared. This is where the exit has to be taken. Again, I'm saying it should not be a news-based fall. It should not be a event-based fall. Okay. First disruption always fail. Very good, Manas. Yes, first disruption, जो first attempt होता है trend change करने का, that will always fail. Always मतलब 99% time it will fail. Market है यहाँ perfect कुछ भी नहीं होता. 99% time you will see that it will fail. At least it will fail to retest the blue cloud and then come downward. अगर वो strongly या event based bearish trend बनने वाला है, in that case it comes, it break. However, if not, it will fail. It will go above, make yellow cloud, again come back down. The first point low becomes our reference point. Below this, the bearish trend is there. And if that get broken, it means now it is bearish. Then it has no reference any further. We can remove and we will continue to analyze how and where the clouds are appearing. So here the cloud should appear below 50% of these two wave nodes, but the cloud has appeared below, so it's a strong bearish trend. Okay. Irrespective, price ऊपर नीचे जाता रहेगा. Bigger trend is now strongly bearish at the moment. So here it shows consolidation. So consolidation मतलब strong bearish. Post that it try to contain. Of course, it's not possible for price action to immediately rush upside. It will do consolidation. Now it's consolidating. Parallel clouds are appearing, which is a good sign. Either it will move up or it will break down. We have to check with the placement of the clouds. Let me play it instead. So here yellow cloud appeared. We are waiting for first bearish cloud also to appear, because this can become a trap. Remember, this can become a trap. We are waiting for first bearish cloud, which is not parallel to the previous consolidation clouds at all. So here at the end of the day, we are waiting for our first bearish cloud, which should not be parallel to the previous bearish cloud. If it appears below and in a non-overlapping region, again it's a continuation of the strong bearish trend. Of course, you will have to check with that bear. अगर यहाँ पे appear होता है cloud, how you will do it tomorrow? Let us say here it appears. You will have to check the placement of this yellow color cloud, whether it is at the 50% of it, below 50%, above 50%, the middle of this cloud. If it is above, means it has turned from strong bearish to weak bearish. If it is below, means it's strongly bearish trend in sale right now. These things will keep happening. Bigger level trend are for long terms. And for long term, from long term point of view, let me ask every person, do not trade in stock options for long term. Remember, the market dynamics have changed in such a manner that nowadays stock options are primarily the tools for hedging purpose, not for individual trading. I'm telling you, this is my experience also. Okay. Of course, after burning fingers also, we keep testing all these things. So my job is to inform you. Rest, it's your choice. Do not trade in options of stock for naked trading. It is only for hedging your future position. अगर आप future में भी stock के trade कर रहे हो, it is recommended to keep your position hedged a bit, क्योंकि futures of stocks are taking bigger swings compared to the stock. So the risk is very high. Risk is quite high. Okay. So by the time your stop loss will come in spot, in equity, by that time, future will impact your trade badly. IRB Infra for analysis, sure. See here the consolidation happened. Clouds were appearing parallel. Of course, parallel clouds का मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरी range होगी. Last cloud will be overlapping with the latest cloud. After that, this cloud did not overlap with each other. All these previous clouds were overlapping. You see this? This was a consolidation area. Consolidation not necessarily has to. See, market जब आप books में पढ़ते हो या फिर आप नेट पे जब इन चीजों के बारे में देखते हो तो बड़ा परफेक्ट पैटर्न्स दिखाए जाते हैं. दैट कंसोलिडेशन विल हैपन लाइक दिस एंड देन द ब्रेकआउट विल हैपन एंड पीपल विल बी लाइक, हाँ यहाँ पे तो मैं एक ट्रेंड लाइन बना दूंगा और उसके ब्रेकआउट होते मैं एंट्री कर लूंगा, उसके बाद तो लाखों करोड़ों रुपए रात में ओवरनाइट पब्लिश करके अगले दिन स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करूंगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला रियल लाइफ में. ठीक है. अगर आपको बड़े वाले स्क्रीनशॉट चाहिए हैं, रियल जो मतलब कहेंगे बड़े रियल बिग स्क्रीनशॉट अगर आपको चाहिए तो उसके लिए आपको फोटोशॉप सीखना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, market honors the patience. Market honors those people who know technical analysis. And as per technical analysis, you cannot become, of course, I mean, overnight millionaire, billionaire बनने के लिए technical analysis नहीं help कर पाएगी आप. It will be little slow but steady. People who want to survive in the market have to remain steady in the market. So nothing like this is going to happen. Market will be like moving in a very abrupt manner. Consolidation, it's only with the visualization of their waves or the placement of the nodes you can try to see where the markets are moving. So this was the first attempt to move above. Now Manas asked this question. Manas, I want you to answer. Since this cloud has moved up, next bearish cloud appeared here. So if I plot Fibonacci on these two clouds, it's exactly at 50%. So it's mildly bullish right now. It's not bearish, it's mildly bullish because cloud has already appeared. This cloud came, another yellow cloud appeared here at this particular point. So here It's showing parallel clouds once again, which means what? It means again another round of consolidation is beginning. Okay, because clouds yellow can be parallel, blue can be parallel. Any cloud which is parallel, if both blue and yellow are parallel, in that case it is a good consolidation phase. If these are not placed parallel, only yellow are placed parallel, blue are not placed parallel to each other, it means it's a abrupt movement. Normally we prefer to stay out of any abrupt consolidation. Okay, so here again it attempted yellow color cloud appeared below this one at this moment. Do not ignore this particular point. This is very tricky point. What to do with this point? More important, इस टाइप में हम क्या करें? Bullish cloud appeared above the previous bullish. It appeared at 50%. It's weak bullish, mildly bullish. Again, parallel cloud is appearing. So we know that it can be a a consolidation. Of course, at this particular point also itself, you will know that there is a consolidation chances happening here because the clouds have become parallel to each other. The next cloud that appeared, it appeared below the previous blue cloud. The problem here is these clouds are parallel, these clouds are not parallel, but it's turning downward side. Whether it's a bearish phase, whether it's sign of weakness, or whether it's sign of consolidation. Can somebody please answer? Manas, it will help if you answer this. Whether it's a sign of weakness or whether it's a sign of bearishness. Anybody can answer. I prefer Manas also to answer. Okay. Rajni Kansar, welcome. Good to see your name also. Gopal says it's weak. Anita Sharma says it's weak. No, it's incorrect. मैंने अभी 1 मिनट पहले स्टेटमेंट दिया था. The clouds which are parallel, irrespective the other clouds are moving up or down, is the sign of what? Two types of consolidation that we are referring here: perfect and imperfect consolidation. Good, actually there is nothing called perfect or imperfect. There is either a good consolidation or there is abrupt. Means which does not have a defined pattern per se. No, it's not bearish. Manas says he will wait for next yellow cloud. Fine. Vikas says weak. No, it's not like that. One before blue cloud, it has to break. It has already broken and it has failed. It's a first point of disruption. First point of disruption. 99% cases it will fail. And that's what we see here happening. So we have reference point available where to enter the market. Okay, for the bullish trend at this moment, the top get broken, we enter the market. But point is not. The point of discussion is whether it's consolidation or whether it's weakness. It is a consolidation which is abrupt. Till the time yellow color cloud also does not move down, it is not bearish. Do not forget. That's why I'm saying आप points को लिख के रखोगे तो याद रहेंगे. लिखोगे नहीं, ये सब flash out हो जाएगा. ये सब flash out हो जाएगा. So until there is a non-overlapping yellow cloud, there is no bearish because yellow clouds are parallel to each other. This is abrupt consolidation which is happening, and we prefer to stay neutral in such cases. So next, we are waiting for next cloud to appear, and we will see whether it appears parallel or at what point. Now, important point here is that since it is yellow color and yellow color are parallel, we are not doing Fibonacci analysis here. It's not a bearish trend. अगर bearish trend होता तो हम yellow से blue color का Fibonacci plot करते और देखते, क्योंकि यहाँ पे parallel चल रहे हैं. It's a clear sign of consolidation. And we are waiting for, now we will wait for blue color cloud to appear to check whether it is gaining any strength yet or not. क्योंकि इसने bullish move यहाँ पे दिया है एक already. After that it has entered consolidation. Remember I talked about one particular point. जब भी बड़ा trend start होता है downward आके एक consolidation which is below this, it will happen. Same case applies in the case of bullish trend also. It will break out, it will come back down, it will happen consolidation, but this will happen above the range of this. This is what is currently visible to me at this moment in this particular stock. At this moment here, let us check whether we are right or whether this is not strong bullish sign. Let us analyze. But the same case, like here, before bearish trend starts, 2 rounds of consolidation will be visible. Like this, in before the big bullish trend, you will find this type of consolidation placed parallel to each other and very close to each other. You will see this happening. So this might be that particular case. So let us check. We are waiting for the, यहाँ पे हमारे पास जिसने वेव नोड का वर्कशॉप वाला वीडियो देख लिया है, it's available on this channel. New members, I'm bit surprised. Last week, those people who have joined as member, they have taken access, but none of them asked about the wave node workshop link. It's available, but if you do not have the link, you are not watching it. It's there. और या फिर आपके पास आपने उसको membership list से लिया है, then it's different. But if you have not seen wave node workshop, please do watch. आपके पास जो welcome email आती है उसमें भी ये link दे रखा होगा. You should watch that. First point of disruption के ऊपर bullishness start हो जाती है. But since here we are analyzing the trends, not the point of entry or exit, the first point of entry was this with the stop loss just placed at the bottom of this candle. Just at the bottom of this candle. Since first point of disruption, the highest point after the first breakout of the cloud, we take it as a first point of disruption. That will fail, we know, we do not take any panga here, but as soon as it happens, minor stop loss and you enter the trend, start riding the trend. Anyways, abhi hum uski baat nahi kar rahe hain. It was just something I recalled, so that's why I thought. Let me turn off the price action. It will create unnecessarily, bias. So here we are interested in analyzing the bigger level trend. So here, Manas, we are waiting for the bearish cloud to appear. If that bearish cloud appear below this level, it means it's weak bullish. If it appears above this one, awesome bullish, stay in the trade. अगर आपने यहाँ first point of disruption के breakout पे entry लिया है, then you will have to wait for another yellow cloud and then you will have to calculate it by from this wave node point to wherever it will appear. You will have to check blue color cloud is placed here somewhere or above. If it is above, you have to remain in the trade. You don't have to move out of it. Okay. You can apply the same concepts for very long term investments as well, like daily time frame. Now it's the same thing happening. First round of consolidation, upward breakout. Second round of consolidation, very good accumulation point. It's a very good accumulation zone. Of course, it might come down. अगर इसने upward breakout नहीं दिया, which we can see only at the time when we turn on candles. But if it's coming down, again, it's a very good entry point for to enter this stock, because two consolidation parallel, one above each other. It's a sign of early bullishness. Okay, early sign of bullish build up, where the trend starts building up. It's that point. Okay, Manas, I hope that helps. So there is a first point of disruption, and first point of disruption, the top, long-term investment. Manas, you're intelligent enough to take decision now, right? Good, those people participated, because when you're participating, you are learning more. Some people might be just simply watching, some might be making notes, some people might be participating. Remember, those people who take notes and participate, they have higher tendency to remember the things compared to those who are just simply watching it. I don't want to dishearten you, but trust me, what we discuss on this channel does not belong to the any normal analysis of the market. And of course, market is not normal. We all know about it. That's why, क्योंकि यहाँ की analysis easily समझ भी नहीं आती लोगों को, तो they prefer not to take panga with type of analysis. They are happy with those analysis. No, I'm not making fun, but what I'm telling is they're happy with this type of analysis. Breakout, enter. I'm not saying it's bad, it's wrong or what. It might be perfect, it might be good, it might be doing really good in fact. Some people might be analyzing it like that also. And, wow, what a trend it is. So, oops, sorry. Of course, I'm not so good in these things, so please pardon me. I'm not trying to, say that these studies are not good or what, but everybody has his own acumen. Here we have different style of analysis, straightforward. And we are maintaining the same style of analysis since long. Those people who are here, uh, they will know what kind of trauma they have undergone learning market analysis from me. यार आज कोई भी नहीं आया खुद ट्रेड करके दिखाओ वाला. Or if there is someone maybe not willing to ask खुद ट्रेड करके दिखाओ, because now I have a very good answer. PRS, I have very good answer. अपना ट्रेड करो, डुप्लीकेट स्क्रीनशॉट हो क्या हो पता थोड़ा ना चलेगा. लेकिन जब PRS की बात आती है, PRS is straightforward thing. PRS is, it's actually the recommendation going out to the people. So okay, I'm just kidding, hush push. I know there are serious people here जो ये होते हैं, ये भाग जाते हैं जल्दी, इनको यहाँ पे कई बातें समझ भी नहीं आती हैं. So those people who are trying to put forward, want to take leap forward कि I want to learn to visualize this market, put some efforts. मैं आपको easy करके देता हूँ, आप इनके ऊपर moving averages को भी लगा सकते हो. You can always do that. Try using the moving average of 48 channel high and low, which we have discussed. The video is available. You can apply RSI also. You can even try to do the similar analysis by simply using line chart. If you see the benefit, gradually I know you will start moving towards the advanced analytics, of course. Now here, for example, the consolidation. So you have to mark the phases of movement. For example, here the first phase of movement is this, then second this, third this, another this, and then this. Till the time there is overlap, it's a consolidation. As soon as the high points ranges, any of these get broken, of course, in fact, it should be the latest high. If it get broken, it means it's a first disruption that is happening. Then it might require a lot of effort to, understand how far I should draw. Because anybody can draw it on whim's fancies like this. Anybody can draw it like this. Anybody can draw it like this also. And this may confuse. This may lead to incorrect analysis, and that may lead to wrong analysis. That's why I'm saying take help of moving averages. So every time 48 channel, it goes up, it goes down below the moving EMA channel 48, which we have discussed. Mark those as one phase and then check how these phases are moving. Start practicing it. I'm not saying come and join and take wave notes right now. You don't have to. You can do it even with EMA channel. If you get profitable, if you are able to cope up with the market volatility dynamics and able to visualize what the market is doing, move to the next step, which is advanced analytics. So here my concept is different. I'm not saying that come and buy my product. I'm saying try it first with the freely available tools. If you are able to catch the market with that, then come to advanced analytics. चलिए next stock pick करते हैं. PRS rocks. Manas, you rock, my dear. Love you, my friend. Give any tips why we are break the rule. I know rule are very important for trading, but still I break rule. Why our habit not change? Please help me. Sahil asked. Sahil, rule break करने का straight forward जो underlying reason मुझे पता है, based on my interaction during mentor mentee, एक महीने का जो program होता था last year तक, of course after COVID-19 we stopped that program. उसमें एक महीना जब चलता था, जो रूल ब्रेक करते थे, जो मुझे समझ आता था रूल क्यों ब्रेक करते हैं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उसका जो इनिशियल डेज में हमने देखा था रूल ब्रेक करने का रीजन वो ये था दैट यू स्टिक टू द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, सेम टाइप ऑफ एनालिसिस फॉर एवर. You are not ready to, first of all, you don't know the basic technical analysis. रूल कब ब्रेक होता है? जब आपको होप होती है. You hope, for example, here I have entered seeing that new high was made, then lower high was made, here lower high was made, I think this should fall. I'm just taking example. साहिल इसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, अगर मैं आपकी हेल्प कर पाऊं, then you have to help others also of course. ये एक हाई बना, उसके बाद लोअर हाई बना. एज पर हाई लोअर हाई कॉन्सेप्ट, अगर ये वापस नीचे की तरफ ब्रेक करता है, लेट अस से हियर आल्सो लोअर हाई इज देयर, दिस इज लो. If this breaks below, in that case, I have to enter the sell side, correct? Now, I may be plotting it incorrectly, right? I might be plotting it in a very incorrect fashion, and then I'm getting trapped. It's incorrect. I can just simply plot it like this also. So, if this level get broken, I will enter the sell side position. And let us say it broke and I entered sell position. Now it is coming up. So, eventually, मैं इसमें sell side में हूँ और अब मैं वेट कर रहा हूं कि ये वापस नीचे आएगा किसी टाइम पे. अब यहां कंसोलिडेशन हुआ, होप बनी कि ये नीचे आएगा, बट क्या हुआ, ये ऊपर चला गया. दिस होप थिंग इज द प्रॉब्लम हियर, बिकॉज जो आप टेक्निकल एनालिसिस यूज कर रहे हो, प्रीवियसली कभी ना कभी मार्केट ने उसको आज नहीं तो कल एक बार तो डिफाई किया होगा. लेट अस से यू यूज RSI ब्रेकआउट अबव 50 लेवल, यू एंटर एंड मार्केट डिफाइड, इट केम बैक डाउन. जैसे ही आप नीचे RSI 50 के नीचे आते ही आपने एग्जिट लिया, मार्केट ने फिर शूट अप किया. अब RSI भी 60 के ऊपर, प्राइस भी सुपर हिट ऊपर. नाउ यू फील बैड दैट मार्केट ने मुझे धोखा दिया. सो एवरी टाइम RSI 50 गेट ब्रोकन, 2 टाइम इट हैपेंड विद यू, इट कम्स डाउन, यू एग्जिट, इट गोज बैक अप. Here comes the problem that next time when it is happening, you will have a hope that this market will bounce back. It will go back up. You will expect that market to go back up, and you will break the rule that I do not have to stay in the trade at this moment. Because previous 2 trades, 2 बार ट्रेडिंग के टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ जहां पे आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ और मार्केट वापस ऊपर चलेगी. मार्केट का मतलब कोई भी स्टॉक हो सकता है, ओके, एनी ट्रेडेबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. हियर आई एम कलेक्टिवली रेफरिंग टू ऑल एज मार्केट. जब ये ऊपर चली गई, अब आपको लगा कि ये मार्केट धोखा देती है, नेक्स्ट टाइम आपने एग्जिट ही नहीं लिया और ये नीचे की तरफ चलती चली आई. नाउ यू आर इन अ बिग ट्रबल. अब आपको लग रहा है कि ये धोखा हुआ, मैंने रूल क्यों नहीं फॉलो किया. रूल वॉज रूल, आई हैड टू फॉलो. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इफ यू आर रिपीटेडली सेइंग दैट मार्केट इज ब्रेकिंग, is hitting your stop loss, it means there is some problem with your analysis. Remember this thing. Analysis गलत है तो बार बार हिट होगा. Once in a while stop loss is okay. Like I would say even 6:4 तक acceptable level पे रहता है. But 5:5 is not acceptable at all. That 5 times it's working, 5 times it's not working. ये तो कोई नहीं हुआ. The best जो रेशो मैं मानता हूं वो ये, 8 times any technical analysis should work, 2 times it might hit your stop loss. But 8 times it should work. It can happen that it hit 2 times stop loss and then 8 times it's not hitting, every time it's working. So you have to give it a shot. You have to at least do 5 trades. और ये मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी कहा है, बार बार कहा है, मैं आज फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करके कह रहा हूं, नेवर ट्रस्ट एनीबॉडीज एनालिसिस सो इजिली. आपका लगना है पैसा, भैया आपका जेब से निकलना है पैसा. बोलने वाले का क्या है, मैं हो गया, कोई और हो गया, सब गुरुजी बने बैठे हैं भैया. फैक्ट बता रहा हूं, ट्रेडर से ज्यादा गुरुजी हैं आज की डेट में यूट्यूब के ऊपर, इतने ट्रेडर नहीं है. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है, जो हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिस्कस भी किया और मैं आज फिर से बता रहा हूं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एनीबॉडी कैन गिव यू एनी टाइप ऑफ ज्ञानबाजी, लेट इट बी. नेक्स्ट डे अगर आप निफ्टी में कर रहे हो या बैंक निफ्टी में कर रहे हो या किसी स्टॉक में कर रहे हो, लेट अस से निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी, या फिर आप रिलायंस में कर रहे हो ट्रेड, जो भी टेक्निक बताई गई है, चाहे मैंने बताई है चाहे किसी ने भी बताई है, EMA है, RSI है, कोई भी मेथड है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एक लॉट से ऊपर ट्रेड ही नहीं करना आपने. फर्स्ट चेक आर देयर द चांसेस ऑफ हिटिंग. और इनफैक्ट मैं कहूंगा अगर आपको ट्रेड करना ही है, मैं अगर रिस्क लेना चाहूंगा तो मैं हेजिंग करके रिस्क लूंगा. कैसे, मैंने CE सिलेक्ट किया, ये करंट स्पॉट है, ऑफकोर्स P ये स्पॉट है, यहाँ पे CE. रिमेंबर ये ITM प्लेसमेंट है, दिस इज ITM प्लेसमेंट, ओके. आई विल बाय 2 lots of CE and I will buy 1 lot of PE ITMs में. ओटीएम गलती से भी मत पिक कर देना भैया, बहुत बुरी तरह से मार्केट पीटेगी, गलती नहीं करना। आईटीएम में 2 लॉट सी के खरीदो अगर आप बुलिश हो, और 1 लॉट पी का खरीदो, रिस्क बहुत कम हो जाएगा आपका। आपका प्रीमियम मीटिंग जाएगा, बट सिंस यू आर टेस्टिंग अ टेक्निक विच यू बिलीव, अब वो टेक्निक भी आप तब टेस्ट करोगे ना जब आप उसमें बिलीव करते हो। ऐसे थोड़ा ना किसी ने कह दिया ऐसे कर लो तो ऐसे कर लेंगे, किसी ने स्क्रीनशॉट दिखा दिया लाखों का, चलो हम भी ऐसे कर लेंगे। आपने अपना पैसा लगाना है, केयरफुल रहना है। अगर आपने बेरिश ट्रेंड के लिए या बेरिश ट्रेड के लिए कुछ चेक करना है तो 2 लॉट पी के खरीदो और 1 लॉट सी का खरीदो। इसमें क्या है, इसको बोलते हैं हाफ हेजिंग। ओके, ये हम हाफ हेजिंग कर रहे हैं। इसमें आपका रिस्क बच जाता है कि बाय चांस कोई सडन मूवमेंट आ गई, एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे आके आपका प्राइस का जो लॉस है वो रुक जाएगा और उसके बाद फिर से प्रॉफिट में जाना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। पे ऑफ ग्राफ पे डाल डोल के देख लेना, कुछ इशू आपको वहां पे समझ नहीं आएगा कि ये कैसे होता है, बट फैक्ट इज इट हैपेंस। आई ट्रेड डेली बेसिस लाइक दिस। ओके, तो रिस्क बढ़ता नहीं है यहाँ पे। अगर आपके अगेंस्ट चला भी गया मार्केट तो आपके लिए एक लेवल पे आके लॉस रुक जाता है, फिर आपका फिर प्रॉफिट स्टार्ट हो जाता है। ऑफ कोर्स वहां से अगर ये वापस की तरफ निकलाता है, यू कैन मैनेज योर ट्रेड, यू कैन क्लोज 1 लॉट ऑफ पी एंड कीप 1 and 1, इट्स अ बैलेंस ट्रेड। नाउ जितना हो गया प्रॉफिट उतना निकालो, हु स्टॉपिंग यू। तो जो भी आपको रिकमेंडेशन दे कि ऐसे ट्रेड कर लो ऐसे ट्रेड कर लो, पहले तो सिर्फ 1 या 2 लॉट से हैच करके ट्रेड करके देखो। अगर आप इक्विटी ट्रेडर हो, रिलायंस में ही ट्रेड करो और कहीं नहीं टेस्ट करना। लेट अस से सचिन ने सिखाया कि RSI 50 वाली एक टेक्निक थी जिसमें 50 क्रॉस करने पे जिस भी कैंडल से क्रॉस करता है उस कैंडल का लो, और वो आपके लिए एंट्री पॉइंट बन गया उसका अगर हाई ब्रेक होता है। ये पुराना है, अब मत करना, ठीक है। मैं जस्ट एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं, कर लेना, अभी भी कई जगह पे बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, ठीक है। आई लीव इट टू योर चॉइस टू टेस्ट इट। ओके, RSI के क्रॉस होने पे अब आपने क्या किया, रिलायंस में ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट किया। आपने क्या किया, सिर्फ 10 शेयर्स खरीदे। अगर आपको ठीक लगे 50 शेयर्स खरीद लिए। ऑफ कोर्स इससे ऊपर तो नहीं जाना है क्योंकि आप टेस्ट कर रहे हो, 50 से ऊपर जाने का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है। शेयर्स लिए, आपने टेस्ट किया, एक बार स्टॉप लॉस लग गया, आपने कहा चल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, सचिन था, आई ट्रस्ट हिम, मैं फिर ट्रेड लेता हूँ। फिर देखा कि अच्छा हाँ इसके अंदर दोबारा से किसी और एक पर्टिकुलर ITC के अंदर ट्रेड बन गया, आपने फिर से लिया और वो फिर स्टॉप लॉस लग गया। 2 बार हो गया भैया आप तो स्टॉप लॉस, और आपका नुकसान भी बढ़ रहा है, -250 -500 करके आपका 750 रुपये लग चुका है ऑलरेडी। नाउ एज आई सेड दैट आउट ऑफ 10 2 आर एक्सेप्टेबल, नॉट बियॉन्ड दिस। Now you have to give it a last shot, but you should not go ahead with 50. You should try only with 10. करना है, अगर आपका रिस्क एपेटाइट है तो आप 50 से भी करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, या फिर आप 10 से पहला करो, दूसरा 50 से करके देखो, वो आपकी चॉइस है। अगर थर्ड टाइम भी स्टॉप लॉस लगा ना तो उस चैनल के ऊपर लगाओ क्रॉस, मैंने दोबारा देखना ही नहीं तेरे को। आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू वॉच योर टेक्निक्स, योर टेक्निक्स आर गुड ऑन ऑलरेडी बिल्टअप चार्ट्स, इससे आगे काम नहीं करती, छोड़ दो उस चैनल को। मैं कह रहा हूं चाहे यहां का भी हो, छोड़ दो उस चैनल, क्योंकि पैसा आपका वेस्ट होना है। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, रिटेल ट्रेडर की तरह, एक नॉर्मल पर्सन की मेंटेलिटी क्या होती है, किसी ने एक टेक्निक बता दी, उसने मेरे को करके भी दिखा दिया, एक स्क्रीनशॉट भी डाल दिया, आज का एक प्रॉफिट भी दिखा दिया, देखो मेरा प्रॉफिट स्क्रीनशॉट, मैंने आज इसी टेक्निक पे ट्रेड किया और देखो कितना बढ़िया रिटर्न आ गया। कल क्या होगा, दुनिया टूट के पड़ेगी उसी टेक्निक के ऊपर और वो बंदा आराम से बैठा मजे ले रहा होगा। कई बार कई टेक्निक एक दिन काम करती, उससे ज्यादा काम ही नहीं करती। तो जिस दिन इन लोगों के बल्ले बल्ले हो गई उस दिन स्क्रीनशॉट आ गया, बाकी 10 दिन तक जब इनकी वॉट लग रही होती है तब कोई स्क्रीनशॉट भी नहीं आएगा, उन दिनों ये चुप बैठे रहते हैं। ठीक है, समझ गए साहिल? रूल तब ब्रेक होता है जब आपकी होप होती है, एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है दैट मार्केट beside technical analysis will work or start moving in your favor. Remember, it will never happen. Maybe once in a while it might happen when you are not in trade, but when you are in trade, market will not move in your favor once the rule is broken. Rarely it will happen, rarely. 1 out of 20 or 30 chances that it will move in your favor, और वो 1 चांस के बेसिस पे आप नेक्स्ट 29 टाइम्स लॉस करोगे। डोंट डू इट। ओके, आपने ट्विटर पे यूपीएल डाल दिया था, काइंडली प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इट्स एनालिसिस। यूपीएल को वेव नोट्स पे चेक करो ओवर द टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट के साथ डाला था। डियर ईशान चेक तो कर यार, IWA एक्यूमुलेशन का ब्रेकआउट दिखा रहा था, बुलिश अपीयरेंस आ रही थी, कंसोलिडेशन के बाद का अपवर्ड मूवमेंट था, अर्ली ट्रेंड पिकअप किया जा रहा था. ओके, it taken me 4 months to understand the way you guide. I don't know compliment है या गोपाल जी क्या है, but I take it as a compliment. Yes, it may take little longer duration. See, I'll tell you, I feel very blessed to be trained by those people who actually have worked for the bigger hedge fund companies. That took quite long back when I was in the US. And I tell you very frankly, if you get an opportunity work for some hedge fund company, you will know the way you look at the market is not at all the way it is. ये मार्केट ऐसी है ही नहीं, स्टॉक ऐसा. हम जब यूट्यूब के ऊपर वीडियोस देखते हैं ना, मतलब कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगता है, मतलब वो एक वो मीम देखे ना, ओ भाई वो वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है सच्ची में. मतलब भाई क्या सिखा रहा है तू, कोई सर नहीं, पैर नहीं, सींग नहीं, पूंछ नहीं, कुछ भी बोलते चले जा रहे हैं. डैम, दे डू नॉट इवन, छोड़ो छोड़ो, लेट्स नॉट डिस्कस, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. ओके, post breakout can we define targets? Vipul, target definition is not today's topic. Today's topic was bigger trend identification. टारगेट कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है, फिबोनाची से ही होगा, बट देन देयर इज अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. वी विल कवर इट इन द फोर्थ कमिंग, जो इसका वेव नोट का सेशन होगा या वर्कशॉप होगी, उसमें हम कवर करेंगे दैट हाउ टू प्लॉट और हाउ टू एस्टिमेट द टारगेट्स फॉर द ट्रेंड. सो उसमें भी फिबोनाची यूज होता है, बट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई राइट सेट ऑफ कैंडल जिसके हाई और लो पे आपको फिबोनाची लगाना है. विल डिस्कस, आई कीप डूइंग इट इन मेनी ऑफ द sessions. I know people have seen, people have tried. Don't try it yourself. It's very tricky thing. It's very tricky. गलत टारगेट ले लिया, फंस जाओगे. Don't do it. Okay. Most welcome, Sahil. Fib placement can be between yellow and blue clouds or with same color cloud. नहीं, सेम में कभी नहीं होता है. नहीं, सेम में होता है, मतलब ऐसे नहीं होगा कि दो सेम, मतलब पैरेलल में नहीं होता है. इट्स शुड बी मूविंग अप. उनमें ही यूज किया जाता है फिबोनाची के, फिबोनाची का. सेम में होगा जब आप ब्लू क्लाउड की प्लेसमेंट देख रहे हो, जब आप येलो, सब्सिक्वेंट येलो की प्लेसमेंट देख रहे हो, तो डिफरेंट कलर के क्लाउड्स में प्लेस किया जाएगा. इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 पॉइंट्स. I'll tell you how. Let me turn on the wave notes and see. It's a combination of 3 points. First point, second point, third. It will always be subsequent clouds that we can analyze. So here, first point, second point, third point. The problem here, how or why this is not a valid case of analysis, is for the reason these are parallel clouds. So parallel clouds means 1 और 0 के level पे आ गए, which means consolidation. अगर सेम कलर क्लाउड 1 और 0, अगर ये क्लाउड ऊपर होता और ब्लू क्लाउड यहां पे आता तो भी ये पैरेलल, लेकिन ये कंसोलिडेशन नहीं होता. हियर बिकॉज येलो कलर, द सेम कलर क्लाउड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, दिस बिकम्स अ केस ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन. सो हियर वी स्टॉप डूइंग द फिबोनाची एनालिसिस. ओके, हियर फॉर एग्जांपल ये मैंने प्लेस किया, ब्लू कलर क्लाउड इसके बाहर आया, 0-1 को तो छोड़ो, उसके बाहर आया. इट्स अ first sign of strong bullishness. That's why I said IRB is very strong. ये लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, या मैं कहूँ आप इसको वीकली चार्ट पे अगर चेक करोगे तो आपको मल्टी बैगर्स भी मिलते हैं. देयर आर मल्टी बैगर्स. स्टॉक्स जस्ट गो लाइक बूम. But 3-point combination has to be there. 3 points are valid only when the clouds are not parallel to each other. Remember this line. You can write it because there is a tendency you may forget. Then somebody may place Fibonacci here and may feel that, oh, okay, it's coming at 0 level, so it's weak. No, it's consolidation. It's not weak. Weak या strong तभी होगा जब trend होगा. Consolidation में क्या trend है? 0 trend है. Okay? Clear? व्यू फॉर मार्केट फॉर अपकमिंग सेशंस. अभी तो दिया ईशान, लेट आए मेरे को लगता है. ईशान भाई साहब लेट हो गए आज. अभी हम निफ्टी को एनालाइज कर रहे थे कि वेयर द निफ्टी इज राइट नाउ. ऑन आवरली टाइम फ्रेम वी वर डूइंग इट. सो ईशान हियर, यू नो, इट्स द first overlapping of the cloud that has happened. So market is coming down. Okay, the bearish clouds have not yet overlapped, so we are waiting for first bearish cloud to appear here. It's a sign of early sign of consolidation. Okay, the market is entering consolidation. अगर bearish cloud break हो गया, next bearish cloud नीचे appear हो गया नॉन ओवरलैपिंग मोड में, तो समझो क्या होगा. अभी ये बुलिश नहीं है. इस क्लाउड का हाई कितना था उसको आप मार्क करके रख लीजिए, एच करके यहाँ पे इसके एज पे, and then see whether it's overlapping. Yes, it's overlapping, means it's a sign of consolidation. क्योंकि जो प्रीवियस फिबोनाची का हमने प्लेसमेंट देखा था उसके हिसाब से ये वीक पड़ चुका था ऑलरेडी. बेरिश बुलिश ट्रेंड वीक पड़ चुका था ये. अब ये यहाँ आया, अब ऊपर है. अब बुलिश क्लाउड का बेरिश क्लाउड का अपीयरेंस आएगा. विल हैव टू चेक वंस अगेन वेयर दैट बेरिश क्लाउड अपीयर. अभी तक तो आया नहीं है. सो अगर ये कल ऊपर चला जाता है फिर नीचे आता है और बेरिश क्लाउड ऊपर मूव कर गया तो ये बुलिश स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज अगर बेरिश क्लाउड नीचे आ गया तो देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. मोस्ट लाइकली बेरिश क्लाउड इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी ओवरलैपिंग. व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग दीज क्लाउड्स एवरीडे बेसिस ना, देखते ही चले जाओगे, यू विल बी एबल टू इवन एस्टिमेट द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द क्लाउड्स. मतलब देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला पर से जिसको आप कह सको कि यहीं पे प्लेस होगा. इट हैपन्स विद द प्राइस एक्शन ऑफ कोर्स, बट देन यू कैन एस्टिमेट ऑल्सो दैट this time the cloud is expected to appear at this particular, around this particular point. Okay, any option upcoming Raj sir, I have your name in my favorite students list. For sure I'll let you know whenever there is any program. At this moment, trust me, I feel enough learning is happening on this channel. You do not need my paid program. I'm happy, it's business for me, but fact still remains that it's not needed yet. निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी का एक ऑप्शन का हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट किया था. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन वॉच. आपने शायद अटेंड किया भी था मेरे ख्याल से, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. उसके बाद अभी कोई भी प्रोग्राम अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है. उसका एक एडवांस एनालिटिक्स ड्यू है, बट सिंस मार्केट डायनामिक्स वर चेंजिंग टिल सितंबर एंड इट्स जस्ट 1 month, एक ही महीना हुआ है डायनामिक्स लास्ट चेंज हुए. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर नवंबर और दिसंबर सो दैट वी कैन अनाउंस समथिंग. जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, यहीं से जो लर्न होगा उसी पे आप कर सकते हैं. आईटीएम करना है 1 hour चार्ट पे करना है. निफ्टी में जहां भी आपको बेरिश क्लाउड दिखता है इसके नीचे का आईटीएम पिक करो. बुलिश क्लाउड दिखता है आपने पीई पिक करना है, इसके ऊपर का पीई पिक करो, इसके नीचे का सीई पिक करो. सिंपल लॉजिक. ओके, अगर क्लाउड ब्रेकआउट हो जाए निकल जाओ, स्टॉप लॉस लग गया. ओके, we the retailer take so much time to come out of our style of thought process. Exactly, गोपाल जी सही कहा आपने. डील लर्निंग करने में बहुत दिक्कत आती है बिकॉज पीपल गेट हैबिचुअल टू शॉर्टकट्स. क्योंकि 22 की एज तक तो पढ़ाई करी, फिर उसके बाद जॉब करा, उसमें भी फिर नई चीजें सीखने को मिली. अब लगता है कि अब सीखते रहेंगे. डील लर्निंग बहुत जरूरी है. सो एवरी टाइम you feel that you do not know where the markets are moving, think yourself as a novice. It does not hurt. Start with the basic technical analysis. पहले बेसिक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस से आपको मार्केट में डिफरेंस दिखने लग जाएगा कि मेरे में फर्क पड़ गया है, मेरी ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल में फर्क पड़ गया है. बट स्टार्ट समवेयर. ओके, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज टीच अस हाउ टू डू हेजिंग. दैट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस ओनली. और हेजिंग प्रीवियसली कवर हुआ है गुलामवार से. I don't know how come you missed that previous हमने lot of time. Hedging, how many people want to know hedging? Hedging पे we can do a session if it's needed. Okay? Only on hedging part. How to hedge. But before that you should know how to select the strikes. क्योंकि strikes और hedging go hand in hand with each other. Okay? What are new modification on RSI? पुनीत, अभी modification पे हम लोग काम नहीं कर पाए. Frankly speaking, RSI का जो अभी latest लास्ट मेरे पास अपडेट था वो था कि इंस्टेड ऑफ 50 वी हैव टू कीप इट 60 एंड 40, जो शायद प्रीवियसली भी एक बार डिस्कस हमने किया है. इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्रेकआउट अबव 50 एंड बिलो 50 यू हैव टू कीप अ ब्रेकआउट अबव 60 एंड 40. उसके बाद क्योंकि माय फोकस हैज रिमेन मोर और लेस ऑन वेव साइड, सो आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू फोकस ऑन RSI मच. आई होप दैट इनपुट माइट हेल्प यू, बट उससे ज्यादा मेरे पास अपडेट ऑनेस्टली है ही नहीं है डियर. ओके, can we use different time frame for analysis? why I am getting questions to which I have detailed answers previously. संतोष जी, इसको जो मेथड आज हमने डिस्कस किया है, इसको आप ओवरली और अबव टाइम फ्रेम के लिए ही यूज करो. ट्रेंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन, बिगर लेवल ट्रेंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Okay, not on 15 minutes, 5 minutes. It can become too aggressive for you to analyze it on lower time frames. Don't attempt to do that. You can attempt, but don't get into too much of that. It's too complex to analyze there. क्योंकि ये manual analysis है. Okay. Okay, sorry, connection was interrupted. No problem, my dear. You can watch this. Traded in it and made good bucks. Keep it up, my dear. God bless you. Thank you. And wave nodes are sexy. Keep it up, Ishan. God bless you. It's not the tool. Actually, it depends on who's using it. Remember, ये मैंने पहले भी कहा है, मैं आज भी कहता हूँ. Same mathematics, somebody is topper, somebody does not clear that subject. Same knife, some become chef, some use it for different purposes. How to use is more important. So it depends on intellect of the person, how to use it. So anybody who's using it correctly, it depends on his intellect, not on the tool. Tool is same for everyone. So it's you who's rocking. Keep it up, my dear. Wave concept from you is just amazing. Even if we follow 40% properly, there's gonna be profit. God bless you, people. I'm buy side stuck with IndusInd Bank swing trade. Please view. कला विद्या कहाँ अटक गए आप IndusInd Bank में? Okay, it's 10:30, so we'll start closing. IndusInd Bank consolidation. You're on buy side ना? कहाँ stuck हो dear? You're not stuck. Your last stop, or I would say the point below which, if it closes on hourly time frame, it's 1091. इसके नीचे closing हुआ, you're in big risk. Otherwise, you are in good hand right now. Don't worry. It's moving after consolidation. It's just that it turned weak bullish here. But then between this cloud and this cloud, if you analyze it, if I place Fibonacci here, between these clouds, okay, it's coming approximately near 50, but it's not riskier at this moment. As I see, it's not riskier at all. This cloud, okay, I think it's another round of consolidation that may be starting. I just request keep 1091, the low of this candle, which is 1091.3. So 1091. Anytime hourly candle closing below 1091, you have to exit out of the trade. 1116.8 wave hope point है. अगर 1116, I'm writing it on the screen. Note down these levels. How to manage the trade here. इसके नीचे 1015, 1115, एनी टाइम 315 तक अगर किसी भी टाइम इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग हो रही है, cut your position by 50% immediately. You have to cut your position. And if it closes below 1090 on hourly time frame, you have to move out of that stock. Irrespective, whatever your thought process is, you have to move out. चाहे उसके बाद ये उछल के जाए 1500 तक, लेकिन अगर ये गया, चांसेस बहुत कम रह जाएंगे, लक के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ जाएगा. These are the levels. अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, you are in safe end. It has given one bullish move. I assume that it will not, it is going in consolidation right now. I assume it will not, make this investment a bad investment for you. But I think better be on safer side. If it moves up, I think it's going to give you very good targets up to almost like 1300 to 1400. At least 1260, 1280 तक expected है कि आपको target मिल सकता है. But that said, it's very important for it to break this point. Now let us assume you exited at this point with 50% and this point is broken, which is the high here. अगर ये पॉइंट ब्रेक हुआ, आप 50% वापस ऐड कर लो. जो भी कैंडल ये ब्रेक करेगी उसका लो आपका स्टॉप लॉस बन जाएगा. क्लियर? टोटली एग्री. थैंक यू सो मच. I think we are good, right? I can move. Is there any paid session on option analysis using paid? Sabyasachi, what happened is from YouTube side, we are facing certain issue. Okay. Uh, it's related to members payment and non-payments. As per YouTube, they say that, there are many members who have not paid for the membership, but they are still the member. I don't know how it can happen. And I know my members very well. I really doubt it might be happening, but if it is happening, then you can understand we are giving perks and services without any cost to them, and that I honestly speaking do not want. So I requested all the members, अगर किसी member ने अभी तक नहीं forward किया है, please forward your September month payment email का जो confirmation आता है YouTube की तरफ से, उसको please info@sachinbhatia.com पे भेज दीजिए. We needed it by end of the day today. It's still not over. Please send it. क्योंकि जिसका नहीं आ रहा हमारे पास receipt, we have to assume, because we cannot go back to YouTube telling, see, these are the members who paid for it. For us also, we cannot talk on your behalf to YouTube. So in that case, it has to be just simply assumed that you have not paid for the membership and you are availing services without making payment to YouTube. And in that case, we have to just simply cut the supply of services for those particular members. It's a request. 80% प्लस के मेंबर्स के आ चुके हैं रिसीट. जो बैलेंस बचे हैं उनसे एक विनती है कि प्लीज अपना रिसीट का, सितंबर मंथ का रिसीट का कॉपी info@sachinbhatia.com पे भेज दीजिए, सो दैट वी कैन टेक इट टू YouTube एंड लेट योर सर्विसेज कंटिन्यू. जिन्होंने भेज दिया उनका तो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है सर्विस, बट जिन्होंने नहीं भेजा है उनका सर्विस डिसकंटिन्यू हो जाएगा इवेंचुअली. एंड देन इट बिकम like, even if you join in the future, first you have to clear the older dues then. So better, please send it to us. Okay, it's a request. Can we check silver chat? I think we are good. It's already above 10:30, friend. I can be sitting here whole night, but I think we have to, rules are rules. So 10:30 was the cutoff point. We have broken the rule. I think we'll cover all these things in the next session. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. अगर कुछ भी कॉम्प्लेक्स लगे आप दोबारा देखिए. अगर आपको यहाँ बताई बातें पसंद आती हैं तो प्लीज डू हिट द लाइक बटन. दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ योर ब्लेसिंग टू मी, योर एक्नॉलेजमेंट दैट यू आर हियर. That means a lot to me, of course. I do count how many people are gaining knowledge or are just like keeping my sessions on. So please do hit the like button. God bless you all. Have a profitable week ahead. We'll see you next week. Maybe on Monday we will see. And happy Navratras to all in advance. God bless you all once again. Good night.